Unit 103, just been tenanted.
You don't want to replace the external light on the unit floor, do you?
All of them, both of them.
Okay.
Here, vinyl plank flooring all the way to the hallway. We're gonna go with the carpet down there. Kitchen countertops look relatively good, but will not need maybe need resurfacing. Paintwood looks fine, although dated. It's painting throughout, of course. Ceiling looks okay.
Where do you live?
There is a ceiling fan in here. We would like to paint the window sills as well, so we're going to paint the window sill in the same trim at all unit, like the white and the grey look. And change the electric panels. The light here is fine, but again we're going to put a ceiling fan there. The water heater, kind of not too new, but
Do you know the doors, interior doors, Hadar? Or do you want those replaced?
no, not replaced. It doesn't need to be replaced. There's a ceiling fan here, and there is in the kitchen / lounge, and there is no ceiling fans in each bedroom here, but there's nice light fittings. So we need to put bathroom. The light is not coming out, but the bathroom looks quite shabby, but apparently it's been rented, so it probably needs a good clean. Maybe even replacing, because there's marks on it. So if it's ever going to get vacant, this unit, it will need to be replaced. I believe it's 1.3. Flooring needs to go as well if it's ever going to be relet.